Kalangut legislator has urged his government to set up a garbage corporation wherein issues of solid waste management could be sorted out under one roof.
The Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo put forth his proposal at the 22nd meeting of the Goa Environment Protection Council, highlighting the environmental issues of Goa on Tuesday. The meeting was chaired by the Governor Mridula Sinha. Speaking to Goa 365, Mr. Lobo said that setting up a state-of-the-art garbage treatment plant in Kalangut was going on in the right direction and the plant would be inaugurated by the end of the year.
It was discussed over that our garbage treatment plant, the state-of-the-art garbage treatment plant, is going in the right direction, and all the garbage will be treated over there of the coastal villages, and the plant is supposed to be commissioned in December this year. We need to have a corporation of garbage where today solid waste management under science and technology, Levinson Martin is heading it, but at the same time he's got charges of another 9 more departments. But there is a problem that he's got so many other departments. So I have recommended that a corporation be formed, an authority be formed, which takes care solely the sole problem of Goa, because it is a vision of our Prime Minister to keep India clean, and Goa could be the role model.
Mr. Lobo said that though the formation of the Garbage Corporation, issues related to garbage could be solved by appointing responsible officers.
So if we do not have the officers in place, if we do not have the system in place, now somebody is throwing garbage somewhere in one paddy field, whom to call? If you call the police, police say, okay, we are coming, but there is no other agency. What the police will do? Take the garbage and take it to the police station? You cannot do that. So there has to be a mechanism, there has to be a corporation who is responsible, officers who are responsible. Today the High Court had given direction to the village panchayats. I am not saying no, village panchayats are to be taken in confidence, everything, but you cannot give them the burden of saying that you start a garbage treatment plant, a small plant, segregation plant. Who will take care of it? So village panchayat can only give tender to collect waste. The treatment of the waste has to be done by a central agency.
Mr. Lobo also stated that there was a need to start 3 to 4 garbage treatment plants in the state if the state was serious about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
The same plants have to start 3 to 4 in full of Goa if we are talking about Swachh Bharat. If everything, you don't want anybody to dump garbage, you don't want anybody to bring plastic full of garbage from their house and throw it in the field, in the nallas. You look today, just before the rains, all the nallas were full with garbage. All the hills were full with garbage. All the paddy fields were full with garbage. Now where it has gone? With the rain, all is gone in the sea.